about this update that has now come on that fire that broke out at Delhi's Vishal Mega Mart situated in Karol Bagh. Unfortunately, there has been one casualty that has been reported, a 25-year-old man who was said to be trapped in a lift and was later declared dead at the RML hospital. Now, the blaze that has been brought under control after 6 fire tenders were rushed to the spot, with Delhi police registering FIR and launching an investigation. We are getting the unfortunate news, Priyank, that there has been one casualty reported.
Yes, certainly, Amita. Unfortunate news coming out from this fire at Vishal Mega Mart, which happened last evening. That one person, a 25-year-old man who had gone for shopping inside this Vishal Mega Mart, his body has been found near the lift area. Dhirendra has been identified as the person who was whose body has been found from this particular location. The fire started around late in the evening, where the fire department official says that around 7 o'clock there was a fire call which was made from the Vishal Mega Mart in Karol Bagh, and on total 15 fire tenders were rushed. But till late evening we did not had any kind of confirmation regarding any kind of casualty. But right now the information which is coming that Kumar Dhirendra Pratap Singh, a 25-year-old man, has been found trapped inside the lift. Was in fact found near the lift and has been declared broad dead at RML hospital.
All right. Well, Vishal Mega Mart is concerned, it's like a supermarket where all goods that are present there, and there are a lot of shoppers there that also frequently visit Vishal Mega Mart and similar supermarkets there. However, unfortunately, this fire that was reported at the Karol Bagh area, which is itself a very densely populated area, now at the commercial market, we are getting this information of this fire that was reported. You can see the fire that spread several other floors as well, affecting the building, and the police and the fire tenders had to use cranes to rather get access inside the building to douse the blaze. However, what is being said that the blaze is now under control, but unfortunately, according to reports that are now coming in, there has been one casualty that has now been reported, and this person who is said to be trapped in the lift when the fire broke out. There were multiple fire tenders that were rushed to the spot, and the pictures that are now coming in of the fire that has been doused, but the investigation has now been placed underway by the police, which has registered FIR to investigate the real cause behind this blaze being reported in Delhi's Karol Bagh of Vishal Mega Mart. Unfortunately, one casualty has been reported.